You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with finding the midpoint between 2 points. The midpoint between the 2 points is 19, -10. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the midpoint using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals 41, y1 equals 14. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals -3, y2 equals -34. PM represents the midpoint of the 2 points. Use the x values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints x. x1 equals 41. x2 equals -3. Simplify the arithmetic. Use the y values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints y. y1 equals 14. y2 equals -34. Simplify the arithmetic. And so, the midpoint is 19, -10.